Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be doing a simple everyday makeup. So if you have been looking for a video of a simple everyday makeup, this video is for you. Stop right there, do not skip. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. If you're also new here, my name is Favor and you're welcome to my channel. So I know it can be tiring and overwhelming thinking of makeup to do, like a simple makeup to do on your face while going out, going to work, going to parties. But today I'm going to be teaching you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple makeup tutorial. It's just like a no makeup tutorial. So first thing you're going to be doing is to apply your primer. You'll be needing your primer. For those that have oily skin, you apply it on the place that you feel like is oily. So primer is important. Even your moisturizer also, you need to moisturize your skin, but I have done that off the camera. So this is our primer. You apply your primer. Your primer is going to go in first. But first, let's pack our hair. We don't need any obstructions. Me, I have like an oil skin, so I'll apply it all over my face. Then next, you want to go in with your foundation. So this foundation is my skin type. Use your skin type. You want to apply gentle in just the way I'm doing. So after that, you want to go in with your concealer. I'm using this concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Conceal your under eyes, just as a conceal your tail zone area. I'm still using my beauty brush to blend, but I'm using this side to blend, not this side. Okay. Don't track that. So next we go in with our blush. This is a powder blush palette. So I'll be using the color pink and also a touch of red. Then next, you want to go in with your setting powder. I'm using this setting powder. You set the areas you concealed. And you allow it sit for a little while to be able to bake. So while we are waiting for our setting powder to sit right, we want to start doing our lip combo. Please, while lining your lip, if your lip is an oval shape, line it in an oval way. If your lip is arc, line it in an arc way. Line it in the way the shape of your lips looks like. Okay, so just the way it is. So after we are done lining our lip, we use the brush to dust out the setting powder. So after we are done, you use the powder that is your skin type. Use it to seal in your makeup. So after that, you get your bronzer. I'm using this type of bronzer. It's broken already. After that, we go into our eyeliner to line your eyes. Then you go in with your mascara. I'm using this product of mascara. Then we go back to our lip combo. So me, I'm doing like a matte kind of lip. So do the one you want. Do what works for you. Then once you're done, you set. I'm using this setting spray. Use any one of your choice. While you're setting your face, you move a little bit far from the setting spray. Don't set it directly to your face so it won't melt out your makeup. Then you allow your makeup to dry. And this is my face after the setting spray is all dried. So tell me what you think about this makeup. And if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.